Oh hey guys, hi, a very warm welcome to your another chemistry session, and in this class we are going to discuss the fourth mock paper of chemistry. So we have like 15 questions today, okay, and in those 15 questions you will get a mixed matching type of assertion reason, case based question and the normal MCQs, okay. So make sure that you do self evaluation and you just analyze yourself that out of these 15 questions how many questions are you getting right, because now exams are quite near, so just we can say almost 1 month to go, and minors are already, sorry, 1 month, I was saying 1 week sorry, okay, 1 week to go and minors are already started. So now I can understand what you are going through right now. So but still don't take any sort of stress, okay, keep on doing your revision, do not start any new book at this point of time, okay, just trust your preparation, the way you have prepared so far, it is the best and you have to believe that, okay. Just keeping in mind the same thing, just practice as many questions as you can, okay, and that is only the objective of keeping mock paper sessions here on the channel, so that you can analyze yourself ki how many questions I am getting right out of all these questions, right? So stay connected till the very end, and if in case you are new on the channel, then make sure that you subscribe to it and help us to reach 100k subscribers very soon, okay. So let's get started, and I am your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik hai at Vedantu. So without wasting any time, one chotu si thing I want to tell you students, like that is related to result of Vedantu. So Vedantu has produced excellent results as always in JEE advanced as well, okay. October 2021 results, if you see, so we got like more than 1500 students who have proven together that yes, we are actually working for the future of the country. 6% of the IIT's upcoming batches will be from Vedantu. Now that is something to be really proud of. 5% of top 1000 are Vedantu students. So we have like 3 times higher selections than the national average. So we can say this because we have produced the results, and we just want to tell you that you are also Vedans if you are connected to us by any term. Whether you are studying regularly on YouTube, you are a Vedan from Vidantu channel, okay. If you are linked with our pro classes, whether it is 1 month course ya fir they are micro courses, crash courses, or the full long term course, you are Vedan, and we trust that you can also get a result like that, even better. So all that we need to do is just have faith on ourselves, okay. And if you want to be a part of Vedantu pro classes, then Shilpi Mam's coupon code is there on your screen, SKA Pro, that if you can use for any kind of course that you want to get into at Vedantu, you will get 10% off, okay. So I guess we all can start with the very first question. Yes or no in the chat box. Okay, let me see some students who are okay. Yes, Charanjit beta, ICSE के लिए भी we are planning. ठीक है, we have already started the mock series for ICSE. I myself have taken one session for that. Okay, so check that out, and we will continue to take more. Don't worry, this channel is for CBSE as well as ICSE students, okay. So you don't need to feel cornered or like, ma'am, there is no session for us. And the comment section is always yours. You can just spam there with whatever you want us to take, okay. Yes, the very first question. No, I'm not gonna start if you say no. No, try karo. And then you will see Shilpi Mam disappeared. I will end the stream right away. Yes, it just takes one shortcut to do that. Don't challenge me. Don't try this with me. First question on your screen. The black coating on silver and green coating on copper are examples of. Very easy question. I just want to tell you a story. Abhi thode din pehle, like it's been a week, I went to goldsmith, and वहाँ पर जाकर there was a customer, there was this customer, and she was fighting with goldsmith, like she told goldsmith that you've given me fake ornaments, silver के ornaments भी मिलते हैं वहाँ पर, and she was like, you've given me fake silver ornaments because they turn black just within a month. So do you think that those silver ornaments were actually fake? Tell me. The lady that she was fighting for, she was saying ये तो fake है, एक महीने में black हो गया है. So you have befooled us. And goldsmith on the other hand was trying to make her understand कि नहीं, this is the behavior of silver, this is not fake, this is real, it just got corroded. Yes. Okay, है ना? So you understand that because you are science students, है ना? You have read this in chemistry that yeah, silver has this behavior that it turns black with the passage of time, है ना? और कैसे होता है वो? That also silver, it reacts with sulfide component present in air, that is hydrogen sulfide gas, है ना? Yes, and that is having a rotten egg smell, and there is a formation of silver sulfide. Now this silver sulfide is actually responsible to give that black color, so that is what this black coating is, and this phenomena is known as tarnishing of silver, या फिर this is just corrosion of metal. When metal is deteriorated under certain conditions of environment and just leads to destruction of your metal, है ना? You know that. Okay. Now on the other hand, अगर आप copper की बात करते हो, copper पे what happens? This is also known to you. Copper, when it comes in contact with carbon dioxide, oxygen and water, then there is formation of what? Basic copper carbonate on the surface, है ना? That is what? A green color का substance. Statue of Liberty, very famous example. Okay, so this is basic copper carbonate that is responsible for that color. So this is also what? Corrosion. Easy peasy. You need to remember the reaction, and also for iron you need to remember that brown flaky substance जो deposit होता है, that is rust. ठीक है? Easy. Second question on the screen, super easy. Identify the species that is getting oxidized in the above equation. Yes, take some time and tell ma'am the species that is oxidized. Okay. Yes, Poonam, you can find the number. It's just the oxidation state only. ठीक है? जैसे जो formal charges होते हैं ना, that you see in ions. ठीक है? हाँ, that's just the charges. Okay, I see lot of you are saying B. Okay. ठीक है, very good, very good. So we will see that. देखो, the species that is oxidized, इसका मतलब the species which undergoes oxidation, है ना? I'm right. The species which is undergoing oxidation, that is oxidized. And oxidation कैसे होगा? There are two ways. Either there can be addition of oxygen to the substance, or there can be loss of hydrogen. Electrons का concept is not in our syllabus, so we are keeping it aside. है ना? वैसे हाँ, that is the true one. This is a very conventional approach, but restricted to your syllabus. So what is happening here? देखो, if you observe HCl converted to chlorine, and what change do you see? Loss of hydrogen has taken place, and loss of hydrogen is something that we define as oxidation, है ना? पहले तो था hydrogen, now there is no hydrogen. Hydrogen lost. Okay, loss of hydrogen is oxidation, so we can say that HCl is oxidized in the reaction. Okay, and अगर आप manganese को देखोगे, MnO2 dioxide, then you see loss of oxygen, that is reduction. So this is reduced in the reaction. Our question was about the oxidized species, it would be HCl. And agents भी बता सकते हो, if they ask you the oxidizing agent, the species that is reduced is the oxidizing agent, है ना? Easy है. And the species which is oxidized will be the reducing agent. These four things you should know, and answer will always be there on the left hand side. Substances, reactants में ही होगा. Right. The next question, you have done it a lot number of times. A reaction is given to you. Aluminothermic reaction, I've told you. This is an example of combination, DD, decomposition or displacement. Everybody in the chat box, yes, I can see Jenny has given the answer. Arcade, Poonam, LGK, yes, Rashmeet, very good. Thirda, yes, Poonam, okay, very good. Yes, Aqua, so smart, yes, thermite reaction, है ना? Very good, very good. हाँ, so what happens here? देखो, if you see clearly, this aluminium has actually displaced iron. Aluminium was पहले अकेला present था ना, it was just isolated. So now if you see, aluminium is now bonded with oxygen and iron is out. So clear cut, aluminium we know is more reactive than iron. Iron lies below aluminium in reactivity series. So a more reactive aluminium is displacing less reactive iron. Iron बाहर हो गया, and this is what displacement. And you know thermite reaction, and this is also a type of, I've told you a lot number of times. Tell me, this is also an exothermic reaction, yes or no? Because iron that you obtain during this reaction is found in the molten state. Liquid में obtain होता है ना, molten state में. That is used to join the railway tracks, to join the cracked metal parts, engines को connect करने के लिए, and all that, है ना? Yes, and this is also redox reaction. So you know displacement reactions are a type of redox only. Displacement है तो redox भी होगा. You can just check that. Okay. चलो, the next one, decomposition reaction is endothermic, exothermic, displacement, none of these. Decomposition reaction क्या है? Let's take an example. Calcium carbonate, you are heating it. Okay, and when you heat it for some time, then what you observe, it gets broken down to give us metal ka oxide along with the liberation of a gas. That is your favorite, CO2. Yes, A for apple. Okay. Colors beta, it's is it exothermic? A lot of you are saying exo. Nahi, this is not exo. Decomposition reaction में आपने heat किया, you are heating calcium carbonate. So what do I mean by that heat? That heat is absorbed by calcium carbonate. This is one substance, you are continuously heating it. So where is the heat energy going? Heat energy is going to the species. It is absorbing all that heat energy and breaking itself down. Okay, so because there is this absorption of heat energy, yes, and this absorption of heat energy का क्या मतलब है? That means endo. Endo means absorption, therm means heat. You know that? Endo. So generally decomposition reactions are endothermic, but आपके syllabus में you study the decomposition of organic matter. That is composting. That is an exothermic process. है ना? Yes, exactly. Combination उल्टा होता है. They are generally exothermic. Yes, okay. Remember all the exceptions. Okay. Very good. The next question. The neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is a type of. We have an acid, your favorite acid. Okay, we have a base and there is this neutralization reaction. Batao, is it DD reaction, displacement, addition reaction or decomposition? Yes, I can see. Yes, very good. That is an exception, nitrogen wala. Okay, I see AD. Guys, what is the answer? Neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is a type of. You are exchanging the ions na, ऐसे ही करते हो, acid and base. This HCl in aqueous medium is present as H plus ions and chloride. NaOH कैसे present है? Sodium ion and hydroxide ions. So now what happens among the reactants? Cations and anions get exchanged. देखो, the positive ion of one reactant clubs with the negative ion of another reactant. Water बन गया, and this negative of one clubs with the positive of another. We got salt. So when exchange of ions happens, that is DD reaction. Neutralization reactions are also exothermic in nature. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी heat release होता है. Hi Amar, ma'am is amazing beta, thank you so much. I hope that you all are also good. Social studies के लिए हो गया? Are you all prepared for social studies? Hi Akshay, thank you. Yes ma'am, social studies is our favorite subject. Yes, knowledge. Hi, that's 8B. Hi Burnwal. Not yet, Poonam. You still have a week to go, and I was saying 1 month. मैं भूल गई थी. It's like I just said it by mistake. Okay. Yes. Yes. I want a big yes, ma'am. We are done with the preparation of the very first subject. So you're gonna write. Try to feel the essence of it. So you are about to write your first ever board exam in life. Are you excited? Yes. So one more feeling is going to add to your experience in the lifetime. Yes, we have given a board exam. I guess that is itself a point to feel excited about, है ना? Yes, Sunita? Okay. Thank you, knowledge. Thanks, LGK. That's so sweet of you. So, जैसे ये slide आया, I see some students getting disconnected. They're like, ma'am, we will take a break. So yeah, I was just telling you, if you guys want to join us in our long term batches, and the reason why you should join us, because your preparation is not up to the mark, still you don't know how to solve the questions in exam. Like आपने सब theory कर लिया है, but sometimes you have that feeling कि ma'am we are not pretty much confident, and term 1 तो होने वाला है, term 2 के लिए you don't want to take any risk because term 2 will be subjective. And subjective exams are more interesting. Okay, so you need to have a proper strategy because time for term 2 is not much, I would say. So you need to be quite precise. You cannot waste your time. So Vedantu's enrollment in the batches are open, even if that's for term 1 crash course या फिर term 2 जब शुरू होगा, you want an enrollment for term 2 के batches. ठीक है, for 1 month में your syllabus for term 2 will also be completed. So what do you get with us? You get unlimited high level quizzes, and because term 2 का जो होगा pattern, that would be subjective, so you do get subjective questions also. You do get test patterns which are just aligned with the actual board exams. Okay, most of the question in board exam comes from the direct notes that class teachers give you. Okay, so that is itself a very huge parameter, I guess, and a reason to take enrollment. You can cover your entire syllabus within a month because you do get unlimited micro courses. ठीक है, शॉर्ट चैप्टर बेस्ड कोर्सेज होते हैं, दे आर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, एंड यू आर गेटिंग द हैंड रिटन नोट्स बाय द मास्टर टीचर्स, राइट, एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट डाउट सॉल्विंग सपोर्ट ड्यूरिंग द क्लासेस, एंड आफ्टर द क्लास ऐप होता है वेदांतु का ऐप, दैट इज राइट नाउ available at the same price. So I'm just gonna show you the link. This is the video and we will target 100 likes. Okay, chalo, let's target 100 likes, guys. Scroll down and you'll say, ma'am, 100, are you sure? Do you want to reconsider your decision? Okay, अब क्या करना है बेटा, नीचे जाना है, देखो स्क्रोल करो, ठीक है, कुछ ज़्यादा ही शायद मैंने स्क्रॉल कर दिया, हाँ, इतना नीचे नहीं जाना. यू जस्ट हैव टू सी दिस लिंक, CBSE टर्म 1 क्रैश. ये किस लिए है? द फर्स्ट लिंक इज फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स टर्म 1 के लिए अभी भी यू वांट अ क्रैश कोर्स, स्टिल देयर इज टाइम ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम ऑल्सो रिविजन आपको देखना है, या यू लाइक मैम 1 वीक है, आई कैन वॉच द रिप्ले जल्दी जल्दी, आई कैन अटेंड द क्वेश्चंस, यू स्टिल हैव दिस टर्म 1 का क्रैश. ओके, एंड दिस इज एट a quite cheap price. देख सकते हो आप, on applying शिल्पी मैम्स कूपन कोड 1350 में you are getting it, and it's not for 1 month only, it's for till the time your exams are over. ठीक है, and the good part is classic is also available at the same price, 1350, right, and इसमें you get the doubt solving application. But I personally would advise you कि आप second वाले link पर जाओ and you take the enrollment in a batch for term 2. Okay, and classes will start right after your term 1 completion. I'm telling you, around 12 December या फिर 15 December में, and you should not miss that chance because term 2 के लिए you really don't have enough time. Okay, so go on the second link, 1 month का enrollment only you need. उसमें like the syllabus would be completed. Term 1 and term 2 second link पे जाना है, ठीक है, and नीचे scroll करके try for 15 days पर you will tap. Now this is available for 15 days only, but you do get 15 days free with it. So you are paying for 15 days but you get a subscription for 30 days. Are you getting the point? ठीक है, so 15 days के लिए I'm gonna tap there, try for 15 days, 1170 rupees on applying Shilpi Mam's code that is already known to you, SKA Pro. ठीक है, so वहाँ पर देखो 15 days plus 15 days extra, so that's like 1 month. All the features are same. Term 2 का syllabus would be covered. You still get unlimited micro courses. You do get session notes. You do get class में doubt solving and everything is covered. ठीक है, so you can go with that. That is what I will personally advise you, and that's it. And you can just begin it because batches are already getting filled. So yeah, that's the point. Code is already written there. ठीक है, चलो continue करते हैं to the 7th question. Alkalis are acids which are water soluble, acids which are insoluble in water, bases insoluble in water, bases soluble in water. Everybody in the chat box, I see Arcade has already given the answer and that is right. Rashmeet has given the answer. Jenny Sakir has given the right answer. Poonam is saying, ma'am, how much did you get in your 10th? Poonam, I got 9.8 CGPA in my 10th class. Yeah. अच्छा रश्मीत पता है ये भी. Yes ma'am, you keep on telling us in our long term batches. Very good. Yes, so alkalis are bases which are soluble in water. Can you give me an example of an alkali? Example please. Yes, sodium hydroxide is water soluble, है ना. Potassium hydroxide is water soluble. Ammonium hydroxide is water soluble. Some of the bases which are soluble in water. Calcium hydroxide आप लोगे? हाँ, you can also say that. Yes, exactly. हाँ, social studies like kind of cheated on me. पहले मैंने social studies को cheat किया, ठीक है. I didn't study it for the entire year. फिर social studies ने मुझे cheat किया. फिर मुझे समझ नहीं आया social studies. Okay, so it's like, you know, give and take. So when you are studying a subject, it just happens. It's a two-way process always. है ना, nothing is one-sided. No. So you see, what are water insoluble bases? अगर कुछ वो example भी याद रखना, ठीक है. कभी कभी the one which are given in NCERT आ जाते हैं. Water insoluble bases में you have like copper oxide, ठीक है. You can take iron का hydroxide is there, aluminium hydroxide is there, etc. Yes. Very good, very good. Chalo. The next 8th question on the screen, super easy. Copper sulfate crystals when heated strongly. Okay, copper sulfate pentahydrate. What is the color? I don't know. That's my favorite color. Copper sulfate crystals when heated strongly lose their water of crystallization. Now that is obvious. You are heating a hydrated salt. Then that is the behavior of water. It will just go out if you are heating it. So what happens? The 5 water of crystallization goes out and we do get anhydrous copper sulfate without water. Can you tell me the color change? Blue to green, blue to white, blue to sky blue, blue to grey. Very good everybody. Option number B. Yes. Blue to white is the color, and this reaction is a type of decomposition reaction. You can see that one single substance has been broken down to give me 2 substances. Decomposition hai. Okay, blue say you are getting a white color. So this also tells you that water of crystallization plays a vital role in imparting color to the compound. Hai na? So what are the 2 main thing that water of crystallization brings to a compound? That is a crystalline structure, and that is second is a color. So when you see this anhydrous copper sulfate, it will also become dull. Okay, white color. Yes, very good. And similarly, remember for ferrous sulfate, this is blue vitriol. What is this? Blue vitriol. ऐसे ही you need to remember for green vitriol also. Ferrous sulfate के case में, there we have pale green. And what is the color change on heating? Everybody in the chat box, what color change do you get in the case of green vitriol? Yes, yes, yes. Green vitriol के case में dirty white color मिलता है. हाँ, dirty white. Okay? Yes. Not brown Shravant. Yes, pale green to dirty white. Very good, very good. The ninth question on your screen, assertion reason है 2-3, so pay attention. Assertion says that zinc oxide is amphoteric in nature because zinc oxide reacts with both acids and bases. A, B, C, D. Super easy. Identify true, false first of all. Then check the options and relate. Option number A, B. Thank you, Sarthak. Yes, option A is correct. Zinc oxide amphoteric है, and what makes a species amphoteric? When it is reacting with an acid, behaving as a base. When it reacts with the base, behaves as an acid. है ना? Amphi itself means both. So zinc oxide HCl के साथ you are making it react. यहाँ पर it is behaving as a base. Acid and base का reaction है DD reaction, exchange of ions. ठीक है, we get zinc chloride and water. Similarly, it can also react with base. Let's say NaOH I am having. So in this reaction, it is behaving as an acid. Exchange of ions, we do get a salt, sodium zincate and water. Okay, easy. First option is right. आसान है, मुश्किल नहीं है, बहुत easy है, ठीक है? Okay, 10th question. Tell me, Dikshit, what is the answer? Assertion says acid must always be added to water with constant stirring. Reason: mixing of an acid with water decreases the concentration of H plus ions per unit volume. Yes, tell me what is the right answer. Mixing of an acid with water decreases the concentration. Option number B is the right answer. Very good. So see, acid must always be added to water with constant stirring. बिल्कुल सही बात है. And reason should be known to you clear cut that this reaction is highly exothermic in nature. है ना? So we don't want to take any risk. We don't want to take the risk of acid getting spilled out of the container, right? So we always add acid into water with constant stirring ताकि heat जो है पूरा जो है scatter हो जाए, ठीक है, in the solution and it doesn't just come out. अगर मैं बात करूँ रीजन का, दैट इज इन मिक्सिंग ऑफ एसिड विद वाटर, बिल्कुल सही बात है, डिक्रीजेस द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ H प्लस आयॉन्स. वाई? पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, बिकॉज ओवरऑल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सोल्यूशन कीप्स ऑन इंक्रीजिंग बट अमाउंट ऑफ एसिड प्रेजेंट इन इट इज स्टिल सेम, राइट? उतना ही एसिड इज इन मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर नाउ. टोटल वॉल्यूम इज इंक्रीजिंग बट एसिड इज सेम, सो या इट विल डिक्रीज. Both the statements are true, but explanation is not right. Okay? Very good. Yeah. Let's go to the 11th question. Assertion says that HCl gas does not change the color of dry blue litmus paper. Socho, assertion. HCl I have taken in the gaseous state. It does not change the color of dry blue litmus. Reason says that HCl gas dissolves in water present in wet litmus paper to form H plus ions. This is your homework. I see mixed answers. Arcade is saying option number C. Rashmeet is saying A. Avika is also saying C. Musina is also saying A. Arey wah. Very good. So now you will tell me the answer in the comment section. In the mock test session 5th, we will have this question as the first question. Okay? I still say A. No one is saying B. You don't think that B could be the right answer? Yes? My answer is B. Akshat is saying B. Shudhi is saying B. Amisha B. ठीक है. Okay, think about it. ठीक है, देखो, the answer is, I have not added the answer. Case based question for you. Pay attention to this. Case based, ध्यान से पढ़ो. Now everyone is saying C. Arcade, you changed your answer. Okay. ठीक है. देखो, case says that the below setup is made is. So I'm so sorry. The below setup is showing something to you. From this figure, answer the following questions. ठीक है, ध्यान से देख लो setup में what is happening. We have taken zinc granules. Okay. Dilute sulfuric acid है. ठीक है. Okay, now there is some gas evolution. We have dipped it in a solution and some bubbles are coming. यहाँ पर candle you are bringing, so some pop-up is happening. This is what I can see. है ना? Okay. Chalo, so now based on that figure you have to tell me the chemical formula of zinc granules. बताओ क्या question हुआ ये? What is the chemical formula of zinc granules? Granules means pieces. Yes. छोटू छोटू. Very good. Zinc, Zn is the answer here. है ना? ये तो देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. The name of the solution A is. What is this solution A that we have taken? Okay, जिसमें you are passing that gas and then bubbles are coming. Acidulated water, NaCl, soap solution or none of these? Yes, what is the answer? Beta, name of solution A. You can't see properly, ठीक है, I will hide myself. रुको. अभी ठीक है, you can see this. Name of the solution A. ये जो है, ये किसका solution है? Yes, you can see that. Soap solution. Yes. Beta, this is soap solution. So what is happening in this reaction? Zinc, you are treating with sulfuric acid. Displacement reaction. Zinc has displaced. Hydrogen goes out. And this hydrogen gas is going into the soap solution. ठीक है, ये soap solution है. Now soap में we are having the bubbles. है ना? So what happens is hydrogen gas gets trapped in these bubbles. Soap solution में soap water is having these bubbles and in these bubbles hydrogen gas gets trapped. And you know hydrogen being the lightest gas. So if it is trapped in a bubble then it will just take it. So bubbles क्या होगा? ऊपर आना start हो जाएंगे. So you know you will see lot of bubbles because hydrogen is trapped in it, lightest. So it will just start going up and up. So that is soap solution. Okay. Consequently, when the bubbles come in contact to the burning candle. So when these bubbles are coming in contact, these bubbles which are having hydrogen, they come in contact with the candle flame. Then what do we observe? Burst with fluttering sound, burst with pop-up sound, burst with the drum beat sound, yeah, none of these. Yes, burst with a pop-up sound. Hydrogen burns with a pop-up sound. That is a simple indication. The gas produced in this reaction is. So every part was connected. है ना? So if you identify the gas, you can answer all the 5 parts. Yes, the gas is oxygen gas. Lot of why you people are sending B. The gas produced in this reaction. B. Hydrogen gas. Yes. Yes, Akshat, I do remember you. Yes, Shobna has given the answer now. Are you getting the slides late? No, that was easy. See. Chalo, one homework question I've given you already because uska answer is wrong at a lot of places. So I want you to take a moment and think about it. ठीक है, उसका आंसर क्या है? A, B, C और D. The next one, what happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? Iron fillings मतलब iron का like powdered iron. You increase the surface area by taking it in a powdery form. Okay, so you need to tell me what is the answer. Homework questions हैं ये. Hydrogen gas in iron chloride, chlorine gas in iron hydroxide, no reaction, iron salt and water. Okay. ठीक है, I see some different questions. Okay. The reaction used in black and white photography is. Black and white photography में generally decomposition of silver halides is used. है ना? You've done this. हाँ, जैसे silver bromide पे you are keeping it under sunlight, then what happens? It gets broken down to give a silver and bromine gas. Sc silver chloride is also used. Okay, okay, so that is decomposition. You can do it. When green color ferrous sulfate crystals are heated, the color of crystals changes because. So you know water of crystallization is lost. है ना? So 2 questions I have given you in homework basically. The one in between the session and the another one was this. Okay? Chalo, so let's see how many of you are serious, and I wish you all a very very good luck for your exam. I will keep on meeting you even one day, I guess even on the day of your board exam. So you just need to trust yourself. ठीक है, don't give up. डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We all are on the same page and we are together in this. ठीक है, don't worry. चलो, so Shilpi ma'am again reminding you that if in case term 2 के लिए you are planning to take a course, then 1 month का subscription, try pay for 15 days and get extra 15 days free. ठीक है? Okay, I guess everything is clear now. Shilpi ma'am will see you next time. Okay, take care and stay hydrated.